Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as we can see that this market is an uptrend. There is no doubt that this market is an uptrend. Beautiful, simple, bullish market. And as we all know, trading on a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or a range bound market. But this chart looks simple and beautiful, but there are certain complications on the market. There are certain complications on this chart as well. So let's try to find out. Let's try to understand what is going on the chart of USD CAD. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. So let's get started. So this market is an uptrend. Market is towards going towards the upside. Beautiful uptrend, no doubt about it. Okay, and as we all know, we should always follow the trend. The basic rule, thumb rule of the market. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can see that this market is an uptrend, therefore considering the trend of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. So the next important point is the area of value. As I have been speaking on my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that we should always try to find out area of value before executing any order. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best buying spot or selling spot. In an uptrend market, the best buying position is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best selling position is always near the resistance because of risk to reward ratio. Okay, and this market is an uptrend, therefore the best trading position will always be near the support. And as you can see that I have drawn a line here, this trend line. Okay, and if you do not have this trend line on the charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this line, because this trend line, as you can clearly see, has been acting as a very strong support for a market for quite some time. Since June, this trend line is acting as a support for the market. Whenever market is coming down, it is getting the required support from this trend line. Therefore, this trend line is a valid support. Therefore, market is in uptrend. We should always buy at support, and right now you can see that it is standing at support. But still we should not go for buy, because let's try to understand the market psychology here. Okay. As you can see that, okay, listen to me carefully now. As you can see that whenever market came down or reached or hit the trend line, okay, after one or two touch, it immediately bounced. It came to the trend line, bounced, came to the trend line, took support for one or two candles, then bounced. And right now you can see that market is standing at the trend line for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 candles. Okay, 14 candles, and still market is not ready to go up. 14 candles, and each candle signifies 4 hours. So I think 56 hours. I'm very bad with maths. Okay, I think it's 56 hours. So market is just standing at the support for 56 hours, long hours, and market is not in a position to go up. So there must be something wrong with the market, is not it? Previously at the same trend line, market bounced immediately, but right now you can see that market is not going up. So which clearly signifies that buyers who are present in the market does not have the strength. They do not have the power to take the price upward. As a result, market is just lying flat at the trend line. And generally, whenever we see a scenario like this, we see market going down. Market breaking the support, because see, market is a place of buyers and sellers. Either buyers are dominating the market or sellers are dominating the market. Here, though market seems to be in uptrend, but market does not have the strength, buyers does not have the strength right now to take the price upward. As a result, after a couple of days or after a couple of hours on Monday, if you see the same thing again, then at one point of time buyers will surrender. Buyers will surrender and market will be going down. And as we all know, it has also a DXY, US dollar has also deep impact on the forex market. And yesterday there was a sharp fall on DXY, and historically we have seen that whenever DXY goes up, USD CAD goes up. Whenever US dollar goes down, USD CAD also goes down. Yesterday there was a sharp fall on USD CAD, sorry, US dollar, but USD CAD did not move. So looking at the present condition of the market, there is a good possibility that market will be going down. In case on Monday or Tuesday, if market fails to sustain above the support and breaks the support, then also I will not be surprised, and I'll say that you can short the market if you see market forms a good green candle. Okay, just keep in mind that if market breaks the support, wait for 4 hours, wait for 4 to 6 hours, and just study the price, just study the market. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is still being dominated by sellers, then you can short the market here. You can easily short the market here. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So you can see the Forex sentiment meter. 33% retail traders have taken short position and 66% retail traders have taken long position. So 66% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, and as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. They mainly lose money because sometimes they fail to follow the trend of the market, or they fail to understand the psychology of the market. And right now you have clearly seen, I have clearly made you understand that market does not have the strength right now, because though it is standing at the support line, but still it is unable to go up. So there must be something wrong with the market, and in a scenario like this, generally we see market going down. And if we go to the economic calendar here, you can see that on 16 there is no high impact news that will be affecting the market, so do not need to worry about the fundamentals. Okay. And one more thing, I have recently launched a pro trader membership program. You can be a part of my analysis where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market on a regular basis. If you want to know more about it, you'll get the detailed information here. If you're interested, click on the subscribe button and just drop a text here. That's it. Anyways, let's get back to the chart here. So your first trading opportunity is shorting the market after 4 to 6 hours if market breaks the support. Yes, market is an uptrend, we are going against the trend, but see, yes, there is a good opportunity here, market may break the support. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up from here, on Monday, definitely you can go for a buy also, because the overall market is an uptrend, market is standing at support. You can go for a buy here, easily you can go for a buy here, but just keep in mind that you need to exit, or your take profit target will be 1.2610, because this is a resistance from the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players, the institutional traders. See, this is the resistance from the weekly chart, and this resistance is a very important one, because you can see that since 8th March, market is trying to cross the resistance and market has failed every time. In the month of July also, market tried to go up, but price failed to sustain, market came down, and therefore this level is an extremely important resistance for the market. Therefore, in case market goes up from here on Monday, definitely you can go for a buy, but do not forget to exit here. And if you want to short the market at this level also, at this 1.2610 level, you can also short the market also. So we have got 3 opportunities on the USD CAD chart right now. Let's see where the market goes. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye.